I'm trying to do what I do though.
But there's some slime shit, dog. We got all these slimes over here. Fixing to sell these rims right quick.
Wow,
to my boy David.
Dad's truck. You can't even drive a show truck.
hey, this is my dad.
Vlogs, but I mean, like, it can float, right?
This is my dad's truck, bro. Chill, bro.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Just sold my wides, 12 wides, and I'm at fucking Chick-fil-A trying to get me some food. So 12 wides is gone. Bought them for $2,400, sold them for $29. Quick $500 profit, not too shabby. And truck is doing fine. All pressure and everything's still good after I changed my pickup tube O-ring and whatnot, so we Gucci. So the video right now is literally like 2 or 3 days after my truck was all nice and shiny and clean. Goes to show you Louisiana weather sucks ass. So anyways, I had the stocks on, still got the stock on the other side because I wasn't getting alignment. They did a decent job aligning it. I will be putting the ones that have the already alignment wear and that I kind of got eaten up from that dude's bump on the back. And I do have to run these adapters, but I kind of want to show y'all. My studs are cut. I cut them right before the threads start on all of them. They're not the straightest of cuts, but you get the point. I did that because if not, it would hit on the backside of the rim because there's no indentions like on some reps and other wheels they have. So they would be hitting on the backside of the rim. So they had to be cut. But what I'm doing, I'm also running these little shims, and I might have said something about it in another video, but I'm gonna be running these are 1/4-inch shims. And the only reason I'm doing that is because the front sticks out about 1 inch or so more than the back does. And this is about all I can do to make it even. I was gonna get some 1/2-inch ones, but I think 1/2-inch ones would be too little of thread. So as you can see, it's a little over halfway threaded. With the little spacer. If the little spacer is off, obviously it pretty much fits or covers the whole lug nut itself. But I think doing this and tightening them down real good with the breaker bar, I think I should be fine. It is on the back, so God forbid if a wheel flies off, that might be a little better than if it was on the front. But I'm gonna run it like this. I shouldn't have no problems as long as everything is tight. Torque down my spacers and torque down my lug nuts for the wheel itself. I should be good. I didn't have my hitch receiver on the other day when I showed that, so hitch receiver's on. Got my drop hitch, a 6-inch drop with locking pins, and then I'm gonna eventually get one of these that's new because this one's all fucked up. Sometimes it doesn't take a oh, look at that, it's all messed up. So I'm gonna get a new one of that, but just kind of want to show you that. Just a little pink in the back. Hopefully my wheel don't fly off whenever I'm going down the road. And if it does, it's because of them 1/4-inch spacers. Also, at the set height it's at, which my keys, I'll show you how much my keys have turned up. I measured it from the end point of, or the starting point of the key to the bottom of the bolt. So from here to here, I measured on the outsides of each bolt. I think it's about, it's like 1 inch and a little less than a 1/4. In between 1 1/8 and 1 1/4, I think is what I had it. Don't exactly remember. That's kind of where I set it to be able to have decent angles up front. So as you can see, my CV angles are still good. My upper control arm angles are still good. Lower ball joint angles are good. So that's kind of how I set it. And these are 26x14s with 137s with 1.5-inch adapters, and I don't rub. If my valence wouldn't be cut, I would rub. I know I hit like a little bump earlier when I was turning around, and they rubbed right here on the other side. So I might end up just trimming that just back a little bit more, or I'll see. And then I don't rub in the back. And I will be getting new fender liners before I do rocklets and stuff, because these are fucked up. And I don't like how they cut them on the other side, but just to show y'all, I don't know exactly what it's set at, but I'm thinking it's somewhere set at about 9 or 8, 8.5, 9. And no rub in the back when my bags are aired all the way down. But I'm gonna leave them aired up. I like how it looks aired up. I think it's a little too much squat aired down. Yeah. My visibility is decent either way, but
Think we can make that work?
A lot, probably so.
You think? I don't know, man.
So Colin, what truck are you working on, dude?
Oh, dude, what the fuck am I under right now? This is weird.
Oh,
Is this a 4 I'm under?
Is this your new truck?
What? What the fuck am I under right now, dude? This is ridiculous.
Your new fully loaded truck?
Shut up, man. Fuck. Don't be glad if you do that.
Fully loaded truck? Dude, this thing is nice. This thing's nice. 2018, I heard. And you're already fucking putting the blocks out, pulling the blocks out?
Oh, this is nice. Fucking magnetizes, dude. Impact of the year. Hold on.
Oh no. Be careful, be careful.
Oh, fuck. Yep. If this thing goes out on me in the middle of doing this, I'm gonna cry.
That's the only impact we got.
Get the fuck out of there, man.
I think we're gonna have to hit the tire backward or forward. I think you gotta kick the tire towards me, or towards the front of the truck.
Got that roll?
Oh, look, jack it up some more. Let me make sure there's holes in that bitch. I can't tell. It's just too dusty.
Huh? Oh, master of paint.
Yes. Drop that bitch again, really fast. Oh, so close.
Is it forward or backwards?
It's just hard to tell. I think it gotta go backwards. Yeah, it gotta go. The tire has to go forward.
So towards.
I believe so.
driver.
Correct. You just gotta line it up sometimes, man. You taking the spare tire off?
Huh?
You should take the spare tire off. It's weight reduction.
Yeah, race truck, 10 speed, man.
10 speed, 5.0. Let them know.
Let them know.
If y'all want to see where he lives, all you gotta do is get a cop to look up this number right here.
Hey man, don't put that DP on.
And
I don't want people robbing
he got it from Burrow
I didn't
Bridge,
pay the first note, man. Don't rob my truck.
Dustin Ellis.
It's falling off of this motherfucker. What was that? That was my block, wasn't it? That's my blocks.
We don't need those around here. Glock 23. Job well done, bud.
Preach.
Go put my fucking tools back. Now you tooted.
Like it should be, man.
You're wasting some good water.
Yeah, gotta clean my hands. It's tooted.
Michelob, please sponsor us.
It looks like it's sat, so it's gonna be leaning a little bit because it looks like it's sat at the angle right now. It looks like it's sat the day before we just did that.
Pretty nice, pretty
Yeah,
nice.
gauge model. Basketball game.
You're gonna have an outfit for a customs mod, more like. We'll go do a ASMR. I was zoomed in on your chin hairs.
What chin hairs?
Exactly.
Fuck. Don't call me, man. I'm sorry. I'm just a child in a truck that I can't afford.
You're gonna be the outro, so say something nice or productive or kind, caring, loving.
If you want to get in the block, boys, don't.